Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I'm wearing this shirt in all of my videos, but I swear I'm switching outfits in between shooting this. It's currently 12:13 a.m. August 30th. I need to be going to bed. That would be the smart, responsible thing to do because I have a long day, but you know, America's Got Talent is a priority for me right now. I have to say it. Okay, I'm about to watch Kechi. I don't actually know how to pronounce her name. I don't think I've heard it pronounced before. I have seen her performance. I'm gonna just watch. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation of her name though. And before I continue this video, I just wanna take the time to recognize those who are being affected by the hurricane right now. My thoughts and my prayers are with you, and I'm gonna do what I can to donate and to support, and whatever I can do. I'm not from the States, but I'm gonna try and do my best to support in any way possible. And if you are able to as well, in whatever capacity, I ask that you help. And yeah, my heart is with you guys. Please stay strong.
Her story is, well, it's like beyond belief. Here's Kechi.
Kechi.
On the afternoon of December 10th, 2005, I was a high school student and I was headed home for the Christmas holidays with 60 other students. And the plane crashed. The next thing I remember is opening my eyes in the hospital 5 weeks later. Everyone that I knew had passed away.
I didn't know that.
The parents of my classmates that were on that plane had written these notes and letters of encouragement. May you find the strength and the perseverance to undergo your treatments. Just hold on and do not lose hope. Reading those letters helped me through all this, to just keep putting one foot in front of the other. Hopefully, people can look at me and see that, this is a fellow human being. She went through this. She came out on the other side. Their injuries don't have to define them.
No.
I've always felt a responsibility to the people that lost loved ones in that plane crash. And it pushes me to do all the things that I do. I want to make them proud, and I want them to see that, this life that was saved on that day was not saved in vain.
Wow. That's huge.
And don't give up.
Kechi. It's a pretty name.
Was 27, surviving my return to Saturn. A long vacation didn't sound so bad.
Look at her dress.
Was full of secrets, locked up tight like Iron Mountain. Oh, I'm running on empty, so out of gas. Thought I wasn't enough, and I was so tough. Laying on the bathroom floor. We were living on a fault line, and I thought the fault was on mine.
Superstar. I'm looking at a star. These lyrics. Wow.
Wasn't gonna let love take me out. That
Wow. This is so needed. What an inspiration. I'm shook. Look at her. Yes. This confidence. She's so strong. She's so strong. That, oh. Wow. Wow. That message is, what a time for that message.
First of all, I want to tell you, you look lovely tonight. And it makes me so happy to sit here and watch you on that big stage and fulfill your dream. Well done.
Heidi put it into words. I'm here mumbling,
First of all, I want
jumbling.
to say you are pitch perfect and you have an amazing voice. But more importantly to me, you are a survivor. You are an inspiration.
Yes.
You give people hope and passion and belief. And for that, you must go through. You must. I have to see you again. You're amazing. Simon?
Kechi, I will always remember when we first met and you came out, you were shy and you weren't sure about, whether you
I
were
remember.
or not.
I remember.
And the first time we heard you, I thought you were great. And then what's happened now? Tonight, you came out as the person you've always, I believe, wanted to be with your song choice, the lyric, the performance. What Mel said about being an inspiration is absolutely true. I mean, I've got to know you, behind the scenes. You are an adorable person. You are important in these days and ages when people need people like you as an inspiration. That's what you're doing. And I am so happy. I have so much respect for you, and I'm so happy the performance went great tonight. Thank you.
Howie?
Kechi, when I listen to you and I see you, you are a beacon of beauty and aspiration.
And
I
hope.
think it's serendipitous that you are also living in Houston. They need you. You are a symbol.
She's from
Thank
Houston?
you so much. Vote America.
Wow.
There's so much pain in the world right now, so much hardship. Howie spoke about Houston. Your life has been a challenge, and you are a survivor. You are here. You are
I'm gonna
alive,
cry.
and you are amazing. What do you want to say to everybody in Houston right now that is suffering?
I want to say that I pray that my performance gave them something positive to see. I'm not even sure if people in Houston can see this. I pray that they can. And if they can't right now, hopefully they see it another time and they feel something positive and feel strength to move on.
Amazing. All right. Tomorrow we will have the results show.
Man. That was cool. Understatement of the night. That was cool. Wow. I just need to get some words right now. What a time. It's crazy that she's from Houston. It's crazy that she is a survivor and survived that kind of tragedy, and just her inspiration, her story, her message, her just sense of self, her strength. That's incredible. That's so incredible. And it's a privilege for us Americans to get to see a story like that and see an example of pushing through, having hope. It's so inspiring to see and hear and watch stories like this, and I just hope that you guys feel as inspired and as hopeful to just continue pushing forward one day at a time, pushing whatever situation that you're going through, whatever it is, just following her example and pushing through. I know we all have things that we're going through, big or small. I have things, and it's so inspiring to see stories like this. It reminds you that you can have hope, and that, she's so strong. That's amazing. That's amazing. I hope you guys are inspired as me, because I'm pretty inspired and hopeful, and that was really beautiful to watch. Again, my heart really does go out to our family members, not only the YouTube family members, but just everyone in Houston and affected by the hurricane. If you can help out in any way, please do. And I hope that everyone's safe, and my thoughts and prayers continue to go out for you guys. I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time, I make new videos every single day, so I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.